In this video, you'll learn how to connect Calendly to Zapier so you can automate tasks and save time every time someone books a meeting with you. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly, so even if you're new to either Calendly or Zapier, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account in your web browser. It's always best to start from your main dashboard, where you can see your event types and settings. From here, we're going to move into the area where Calendly keeps all of its integrations. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options like your event types, availability, and general settings. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Integrations and Apps. This section is where Calendly connects with other tools and services, and it's where you'll be able to link your account with Zapier. Once the Integrations and Apps page loads, you'll probably see a list of popular tools and categories. Because there can be a lot of options, using the search bar is usually the fastest way to find what you need. At the top of the integrations page, look for the search field, click into that search bar, and type the word Zapier. As you type, Calendly will filter the results for you. After a moment, you should see Zapier appear as one of the integration options. When you see it in the list, go ahead and click on Zapier to open its integration page inside Calendly. On the Zapier integration page, you'll see some information about what this connection can do, such as sending Calendly invitee details to other apps or triggering workflows when new events are scheduled. Take a brief moment to look over this description so you understand what's possible, but you don't need to change anything here. What we really need is the button that actually starts the connection. Somewhere on this page, usually near the top or center, you'll find a button labeled Connect Zapier. Click the Connect Zapier button. When you click this, Calendly will either open Zapier in a new tab or bring up a window asking you to sign in or authorize the connection. If you're already logged into Zapier in your browser, it may take you straight to a screen where you can allow Zapier to access your Calendly account. If you're not logged in, Zapier may ask you to sign in first. Either way, follow the on-screen prompts, and when you're asked to allow or authorize access, confirm that you want to continue. This is what lets Zapier securely use your Calendly data to run automations. After you've clicked Connect Zapier and completed any authorization screens, your Calendly and Zapier accounts are now connected. From here, you can go into your Zapier dashboard and start creating zaps that use Calendly as a trigger. For example, you can send new booking details to a spreadsheet, a CRM, or a messaging app whenever someone schedules an event. That's all you need to do in Calendly itself. Open integrations and apps, search for Zapier, select it, and click Connect Zapier. Once that connection is in place, the rest of your automation work will happen inside Zapier, built on top of this simple but powerful link between the two platforms.